Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Bluetooth speaker not pairing. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, ensure the speaker is in pairing mode. For this purpose, you have to press and hold the Bluetooth button or power button until the indicator light flashes. Ensure the speaker is within 3 feet of your device for optimal connection. Number 2. Verify Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Navigate to Bluetooth setting in your phone, tablet or computer. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on and the device is discoverable. Restart the Bluetooth function by turning it off and back on again. Number 3. Check for existing connections. Ensure the speaker is not already paired to another device. If it is, disconnect or unpair the speaker from that device in its Bluetooth setting. If the speaker appears in your device paired devices list but doesn't connect, select forget before trying again. Number 4. Restart both devices. Power off your phone, tablet or computer, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Turn off the speaker, wait for a few seconds, then power it back on. Re-enable pairing mode and attempt to pair again. Number 5. Forget and repair the speaker. On your device, go to Bluetooth setting and locate the speaker in the paired devices list. And then select forget. Put the speaker back into pairing mode. Search for available devices on your phone. Select the speaker from the list and follow the pairing instructions. Number 6. Check for interference. Move away from potential interference sources like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and cordless phones. Avoid placing the speaker near metal objects which can weaken the Bluetooth signal. Number 7. Update firmware or software. Follow the provided instructions to download and install updates. Ensure your device operating system is up to date. If using a PC, update Bluetooth drivers through the device manager. Number 8. Reset network settings on your device. Reset network settings will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. Go to your device setting and select Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset and repair the speaker after resetting. Test with another device. For this purpose, you have to connect the speaker to another phone, tablet or laptop to determine if the issue lies with the speaker or your original device. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable on the second device. Number 10. Consult the user manual. If the problem persists, contact the manufacturer support team for assistance. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.